Samsung is getting ready for one of its biggest launches of the year, and all eyes are now on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Rumors suggest Samsung could officially unveil the device at its Galaxy Unpacked event on July 22 in London. But the Fold 8 Ultra may not arrive alone. Reports claim Samsung is also preparing the Galaxy Z Flip 8, Galaxy Watch 9 series, a brand new fold-wide model, and even its first smart glasses called Galaxy Glasses. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra is expected to be the main highlight of the event. Samsung reportedly wants to make this foldable thinner, lighter, and easier to carry compared to previous generations. One of the biggest complaints about foldable phones has always been their bulky design, so Samsung seems focused on improving portability without sacrificing performance. The display is also getting major upgrades. Reports suggest the Fold 8 Ultra will feature a smoother folding mechanism and reduced crease visibility. That means the line in the middle of the screen may become much less noticeable, giving users a more natural tablet-like experience when the phone is unfolded. Samsung is also expected to improve battery efficiency, which is important because foldable devices usually consume more power due to their larger screens. Performance upgrades are another big part of the leaks. The Fold 8 Ultra is rumored to run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 for Galaxy processor, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and storage options going all the way up to 1TB. This setup would make the phone powerful enough for gaming, multitasking, video editing, and productivity tasks. The camera system could also see improvements. Leaks suggest the standard Fold 8 may include a 50mm main camera, a 12 ultra-wide lens, and a 10mm telephoto camera with 3x zoom. But the Fold 8 Ultra or Fold-wide version may take things further with a 1 or 8mm or even 200mm main camera, and a 50mm periscope lens offering up to 5x zoom. Samsung clearly wants its foldables to compete directly with premium flagship phones when it comes to photography. Now let's talk about the Galaxy Fold Wide, which may become Samsung's boldest foldable experiment yet. Instead of the usual tall and narrow design, this model is rumored to feature a wider form factor. That means users could get a more comfortable outer display that feels closer to a normal smartphone. When unfolded, it could offer an even larger workspace for multitasking, entertainment, and productivity. Samsung may also bring back S Pen support with improved technology that works better on thinner foldable displays. For users who enjoy taking notes, drawing, or editing documents, this could become a major selling point. The Galaxy Z Flip 8 is also expected to launch at the same event. Samsung will likely keep the compact clamshell design but improve the cover display, battery life, and overall performance. The Flip series has become popular among users who want a stylish and compact phone without giving up flagship features. But foldables are not the only focus this year. Samsung is reportedly preparing the Galaxy Watch 9 series with better health tracking, improved battery life, and smarter notifications. While the upgrades may not look massive on paper, Samsung seems focused on refining the experience instead of changing everything at once. The biggest surprise could be Samsung's first smart glasses called Galaxy Glasses. Reports claim Samsung is working with Gentle Monster to develop AI-powered glasses with augmented reality features. These glasses may support real-time translation, smart notifications, built-in cameras, and AR functions. If true, Samsung could enter direct competition with Apple and Meta in the wearable tech space. What makes this launch even more important is the growing competition in foldable devices. Apple is heavily rumored to be working on its own foldable iPhone, and Samsung clearly wants to stay ahead before Apple enters the market. By introducing thinner designs, wider displays, better cameras, and AI-powered wearables, Samsung is trying to strengthen its leadership in premium technology. If the rumors are accurate, the July 22 Galaxy Unpacked event could become one of Samsung's biggest launches in recent years. From advanced foldable phones to futuristic smart glasses, Samsung appears ready to push consumer technology into a completely new direction.